Hello guys, in today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can easily enable autosave in your PowerPoint. Let's begin. First, open PowerPoint, and over here, I want you to go and focus on your top left corner of your screen. Click on File at the bottom, go to Options, then it will open up a new window. Just go to Save, and over here, make sure these options are checked and enabled. Save auto recover information every X minutes. So we can easily change this. For example, you can do 1 minute just to make sure everything is good to go. Then let me get back here. Save. Keep the last auto recover version if I close without saving. So make sure these are enabled. Then you can now click on OK and everything should now be good to go. You have now successfully enabled autosave in your PowerPoint. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.